the internet's favorite GMT 800 here.
What's going on, Ty?
What's going on, dude?
All right, Zach, what are you throwing in there, man?
It's a little bit of 110, you know?
Okay.
That's what she likes.
We make a move and act a fool while we up in the club.
Yeah, boy, grab the boy.
This is called being a real friend. Nothing you guys would know anything about.
No idea, dude.
Maybe some of the viewers, but definitely not the guy holding the camera.
Boys are fucking up. There's still a lot of tire left on there.
That's what I was trying to tell him.
See, like you can still see the tread pattern. You have rubber underneath the tread, and then if you didn't know, there goes like cords, rubber, cords, rubber, and then air.
Tell him.
You got a good bit to go.
That's why.
You got a good bit to go before you get to there.
This one's closer.
That's better, but still, you got more rubber underneath those cords. I promise you.
Or closer yet.
He's got a
Closer
film,
yet.
dude.
I got duties, dude.
Oh, you're getting closer.
Look at this one.
Yeah,
That's
but
all
you
cool.
see, like this, you got these things, they come off, and then there's rubber again, and then more of those things.
Science.
Yeah, but the ones below these ones poke you, so just be careful.
Yeah, no fender delete.
No, not necessarily.
That was a good one.
That one someone fucked up on.
Yeah, he beated it and then just kept driving on it.
Yeah.
It was a brand new wheel, you can tell.
Was.
Oops. Here we got, you know, I'm going to say it, probably the internet's favorite GMT 800 here.
I'll say it.
The only way to buy it, you know, two-door long bed. Everything else sucks, in my opinion. But this is the old white trash rig, Rendition 9. We have a FFRE built 540 big block in it this time. It's been in it for about a year. It's done decent.
Yeah.
FTI turbo pointer behind it. It's got a quick performance 9-inch in the back. That's some
Okay.
pretty good burnouts.
She's set up. What are you spraying?
It's got a 200 in it. It's
Yeah.
set up for 400, but Dad said I can't spray it that much, so I had to cut one of the solenoids wires.
Oh, God.
So it just has one solenoid, 2 bars on the plate that's on there, and it works well because it's not like an overkill of power. So like
Yeah.
if I miss on the tire setup on the pad and I'm too gripped up, it's like a little bit of nitrous to just give it enough pump to stay lit
Okay.
in high gear. But
All right.
usually every pass, a brand new set of Nitto tires disappears, and then I go ahead and pop them both and kill a bottle of nitrous doing it. So
Did you go through a full bottle?
yeah.
No shit.
If I have to use it, like
Okay.
last night the pad was so slick I didn't have to use it. I was able to keep it in high gear. I should have went with. I run 2 different size Nittos. I usually run these 255/50s, but the pad looked like it was super gripped up, so I went to my 235 combo and went to 12 pounds of air, and it was
Okay.
still not enough grip. It was slick as shit out there.
12 pounds of air is pretty low.
Yeah.
Pretty low.
Today I'll be out there on a new set of the 255/50s, which is a bigger tire,
Yeah.
air down to about 10, and
right
hopefully it gives me
Yeah.
enough grip. Well, a lot of these guys think they got to jack the air way up to spin the tires, but what happens is without grip, you don't tear the tire up.
It's not enough.
And it's
That's
about
true,
popping.
huh?
In the burnout pad, you got 60 seconds to 2 minutes to pop the tires. So
Yeah.
if you can't get the tires popped, you're not going to win. So it's
Yeah.
all about getting them popped. So you got to have the grip.
Safe.
So
Yeah, I need
these were
some
brand new. And I
Nittos,
just went through
man.
Skid Row.
What rear end is in this thing?
It's a 9-inch. Yeah.
Wait, how the hell is custom axle for 6-leg or?
No. That's what they sell. It's just a bolting kit.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this thing's tight.
Yeah. Gets the
Sick.
job done.
Fuck yeah. Alright. Good big block power?
Oh yeah.
Sounds great. Yeah, buddy. Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's part of the plan, you know.
What's going on, Ty?
What's going on, dude?
So, give us the rundown on the burnout car.
Well, this Mustang right here used to be in a junkyard.
It's actually like 3 different cars put together. It's a heavy front end damage. I don't know exactly what happened and why it has so much front end damage, but I'm imagining it probably hit a crowd of people because it's a Mustang.
Yeah. It definitely hopped a curb and fucking did some
I
shit.
think it hit a light pole or something probably. You know, trying to show off Grandpa hit something. But we got it wrecked and put 3 cars together enough to make a burnout car out of it. And then Whipple hit me up and sponsored me a blower. So now it's got a big old Whipple on it. It's making like 600 horsepower.
What size Whipple is that?
That's a 2.9.
2.9.
Yeah, I think it's a Gen 6 2.9.
Okay.
I'm not super well versed on the Whipple stuff, but it makes all the cool Whipple sounds and burns tires pretty good.
Good old wee wee.
Yeah.
You just threw it on the stock Coyote or what?
Yeah, so that motor's got 200,000 miles on it. And it's still alive somehow. I don't know how. And it overheated every time. Like, you'll see it. It'll probably come off the pad overheating tonight.
Well, I see the gallon of water sitting in front of it.
Yeah.
Still stock suspension and everything else or what?
What's left of the suspension is stock. But
Yeah.
I mean, this car is as rough as it gets, man. It doesn't get much rougher than this. Like when you let off the gas, the rear axle shifts because the bushings are all blown out, but it does get burnout, so I just don't mess with it.
As long as the rear wheels still spin, you're good to go?
Don't leave it, don't fix what's not broke, you know? It's pretty rough.
What trans is in it?
6R80, stock.
Okay.
Also 200,000 miles, somehow still alive. It's
stock rear end too?
Stock rear end.
What the fuck?
Stock drive shaft.
No shit?
Yeah.
Just put a Whipple on it and sent it, huh?
Just put a Whipple on it and sent it, man. It's I can't explain why or how it's still alive and doesn't break parts, but it just does good burnouts and keeps going somehow.
That's insane. Well,
a good builder,
we'll see you out there. Fuck yeah. Thanks, brother.
Yeah,
nice
man.
to meet you. It's so funny. You're the fab guy, and you can build anything.
I've got the biggest piece of garbage out of everybody. And it's so funny.
At least it works.
Well, so I don't know if you know about my Ranger or not. But
Yeah.
The Ranger I built to do burnouts.
Yeah.
And then I was like, man, it's getting kind of expensive. I don't want to hit a wall with it. I was getting nervous.
It's getting too nice.
So, yeah, and then I was having fun drag racing it. So I was like, before I total this thing and have nothing, let me park this from the burnouts and just drag race it. And then this was originally like super budget built. This was like $1,500 Copart car. Yeah, like just junkyard crap. And it still is, but now it's junkyard crap with a really cool Whipple on it.
Yeah. So now it's a really cool burnout car.
Yeah, like I needed headers and a real exhaust, so
Yeah.
I went out and bought oh, they're doing that.
Damn.
Yeah.
That thing's bright, doggy.
Yeah, thanks, dog.
It's like our buddy Jose's head.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Never sees the light of day. You can see his reflection over there.
Yeah, look at our buddy Jose.
Yep.
Twins.
It happens, man.
All right. All right. What exhaust is on this thing? You said?
So it needed a real exhaust because there's like stock headers with the exhaust just chopped off, so it was loud and annoying.
Yeah.
And so I did what any reasonable person would do, and I went out and bought some Temu headers.
Of course.
And they mostly fit, so I only hit some things with a hammer until they fit all the way.
Just a couple dings and dents in them?
Yeah, so now it's basically like the worst, most obnoxious Mustang ever built.
They're not fun to put on either.
Well, have you ever heard like a straight piped Mustang?
Yes.
That's like the guy you just want to punch him in the mouth the second you see one of those guys.
It's straight pipe?
And now, oh yeah, well basically open header. It's like the collector is basically this long, and that's all it's got.
You think you can fire this thing up for us? Right? Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
So it's dubbed like right here?
Yeah. I'm sure if you look under there, wild. Oh yeah. Wild. It's
Now I see what you're saying.
It's not quiet.
Not at all.
No.
Not one fucking bit.
It's like the worst thing ever built.
Holy fuck.
They're way worse on cold start too, aren't they?
Oh yeah. When this thing's really cold, it's like a pissed off chainsaw had a baby with a pissed off lawnmower. I don't know. It's
That
just the
is
worst thing
loud. Are you doing open class or pro?
ever. Open.
Open.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pros
all right.
like the big dogs here.
Yeah, that's
And
why
don't
I didn't
have
want
what
to
it takes
enter.
beat the blower cars.
Yeah, try and compete with the Australians and shit.
Yeah.
Well, hell yeah. Thanks for
Yeah,
showing us this
yeah,
thing,
no
brother. Hell yeah. All right, Zach, what are you throwing in there, man?
A little bit of 110, you know.
Okay.
That's what she likes.
Some regular juice.
Gotta make it smell good.
In the Spark. This thing is wild. Insane. I like the filling technique too. You've done this before a couple times, huh?
Yeah, not the first time. It wasn't good like this until he knocked the bumper off for me. I think the bumper lasted on this car for like 30 seconds. Ty just put all this paneling in here, so we actually have a nice firewall now.
I like the battery mount.
Before, so we got a battery, it's on the way.
No, it's perfect.
But I put one of the race car 16 volts in there
No, that's
to make it
perfect.
work.
Yeah, that bracket's legit.
The rest of that's that.
All right, so
We got
give us
running sleeves on.
give us a rundown.
But Ty just got this thing looking pretty sick in here.
Okay.
We did
Got
about
us a
the tin.
floorboard, scanned it all, and
So good.
printed the
Fuck
metal
yeah.
is what I call it. 'cause he
Okay.
gets it all made. And under the hood, I mean, you can see this thing's pretty much a pro mod. You know, Cameron Johnson built it just like one of his race cars,
built
just
it
like
legit.
you. Yeah, he's trying to take some records.
I think. What do you think he's gonna do? You think he's gonna actually?
I
take
think if he's got someone willing to go that fast, we're gonna have to let him.
Yeah. I wouldn't want to go that fast in this thing.
Heck no.
God damn.
Yeah, Cameron's probably about to go really, really fast.
You think it'll do like this? It'll probably do a 6-second quarter, huh?
Yeah, I don't think we want to try sevens in this.
That's a little sketchy.
It really is a drag car.
But it's literally, yeah, it's literally drag car. It's got the cups.
The
and
headers are
everything.
crazy on this thing. I was looking at that. Like,
Is it
look
two-inch
how
primary?
look how it just blows right on the fucking controller.
Aren't they
Yep.
2-inch primaries?
Yes.
That's
Yep.
insane.
That's the problem.
In a
There's
Spark.
no room for it. So
Yeah,
yeah, they blew it
understandable.
on there.
What size motor is in this thing?
This is a 540.
540.
God.
And it's a turbo 400.
Yep, turbo
Yeah.
400. Little lightweight Spark.
Little
Go
lightweight
take it.
Spark.
So we're talking about.
Did you guys weigh this thing?
No, we haven't actually
No.
weighed it.
What do you think it would weigh?
I bet it's still 2,800 pounds.
Super heavy.
I thought Cameron weighed this thing.
Did he?
Maybe he did. Maybe he did.
You might have.
I'm
It
not
weighed. I
sure.
think it weighed more than stock, which is
Yeah,
assumable
I'll
because
fire
it's
it
a
up
big
pretty
iron
good,
bar.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
See, we put 16 volts on it since last burnout, so now she cranks like she's on fentanyl, you know what I'm saying? EFI car starts like an EFI car, you know what I'm saying?
This thing is insane, bro. So wild seeing this come from a damn Spark.
I know. We were saying we need like an electric motor so we can like drive it around town
And then fucking
and just fire it up.
I mean, you see
Damn.
like those sprint cars that they use like a starter motor on a caliper to back up. You know,
Yes,
reverse.
yeah,
Yeah.
yep, I've seen
Putt
that.
around, like, zoom around with a little starter motor.
It'd be so funny. Like they would think it was idling if it
Yeah.
was on the electric. You
Yeah.
know, they're so quiet stock and just fire
They
it
have
up.
no idea.
Every time we fire it up at the shop and there's like a UPS guy or FedEx guy,
He's
every
like,
time they're like, what
"What
the
the
heck
fuck?" Looking
is
around
wrong
like,
with
what
that
the
thing?
Hell
It's
yeah.
coming from the wrong car.
Yeah, it's wild. A lot in a small package, that's for sure.
Definitely.
I like the Cameron upgraded the cage on it so he could race you guys. I know
Yeah.
that's why he did it.
Oh yeah, I know that's why he did it too. He's always got something up his sleeve.
Hey, this thing is fucking wild.
We should put some seats in the back.
Do some ride-alongs in this thing?
Put
there even room
a
for seats?
suicide seat in the middle.
Well, thanks for the walk around, brother.
It's a
No
side-
Appreciate you.
If you take
Hell
a
yeah.
Ranger seat where it's sideways, you sit